Squad, your boy E back at it again with another dope legendary video. And today is an exciting day, an exciting video, because we are on the way to go buy our mobile detailing van. It may not necessarily that specific van, but today is the day we officially start looking for the best mobile detailing van. Alright guys, now I'm on my way to go see the very first truck, which is the a city van, which is the Ford Transit Connect XL. I like the smaller van because it's just enough space for everything you need, and also help you save a lot of gas. And I just personally like the smaller van, and cheaper to wrap, and it's just cheaper all around to have the Connect, the city van, versus the big one, which I had the Chevy 1500 when I first started my first mobile detailing business. So pretty much we're gonna see the first van, and I guess I'll catch you there momentarily. So it says the address is 14, so I think that's it right there. I think that's the van right there. We're gonna go and see. Alright guys, I left my phone in the car. I'm gonna go grab it real quick. There go Black Panther. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys everything. I think that's a van right here. I gotta go ask the person that's gonna help me look at it and stuff, which is looking decent. I don't know what you guys think, but let's go figure out who can help us out. Yeah. Alright, cool. She's looking decent, you guys. I don't mind it at all. I'm sure they probably did some work to it, but it's looking real nice. So I'm gonna see exactly what deal we can work out of this, because I'm buying this cash. I'm not financing. I'm just trying to buy everything outright. Which, all right, cool. I'm not saying that's what everybody should do, but I like to minimize my expense as much as I can. But I know some people says use credit, do credit with everything, and keep your capital and invest it somewhere that can generating money. But there's a bright line saying, if you haven't seen it in person, you just saw it right here, first hit on YouTube, Eli channel. This is the bright line I take you from Miami Airport all the way to Orlando. But anyhow, we're gonna wait till that lady comes so I can talk the details and stuff. All right guys, I am still here next to the dealership. He's telling me the only issue with that car, the AC compressor, is bad. Most likely I would need to change it, which I'm not planning on fixing anything. And I know I'm buying a car from a dealership, and at a wrong time, which is tax season, they're gonna gutter you if you don't know what you're doing. So there's another one I'm supposed to see, which there's a saying says don't buy the first car you see, go shop around. So this one is a 2018. The other one is a 2015 with only 103,000 miles, but this one got 180,000 miles, which I don't like the miles on it because this car is close to 200,000 miles. And even though these are commercial vehicles, they could go up to 200,000-300,000 miles with no issues, or you might face some issues, all depends. So let alone that car already have an AC compressor issue at 180,000 miles. I'm not digging it. The car looks really clean. However, the miles is kind of holding me back a bit. So I'm gonna go see the other one, which is the 15 with only 103,000 miles, which I know sometimes they roll back the miles too. So you guys got to be careful with that. So I'm gonna make sure that I see that 100,000 miles, 103,000 miles is registered with the title too, or registered with DMV, or I can pull the Carfax and see all the details also. Guys, I'm heading to the next spot, which this one is about 10 minutes away, and we're about to go see it now. I'm not looking to get a super dirt cheap car, because I'm looking to get something that's reliable, that I know for sure that's going to keep on the road for a couple of years before I even have to make any expense. However, you gotta also stay within your budget. So we're all 10 minutes away. I'll catch you there when I get there. Welcome to Florida, welcome to Miami. One side of the street is not raining, the other side is pouring. I literally drove within a minute. It's already pouring on the other side of the street. That's crazy. Welcome to Miami, Florida, baby. All right, so I arrived to the place. I gotta look for it. I think he says something about a certain day, 3927. I see something here, it says 3927. So I gotta find a way to park here somewhere. I don't know. I gotta find some way to park. And how would somebody know if there was a detailing place here, man? I mean, not detailing, dealership here. That is insane. All right, let me just park somewhere here. And we'll go see the car real quick. We'll go see the van. All right, we have made it. If you guys notice, I'm already seeing two different vans. This one looks a little bit tinier than I thought, but not bad. And there go another one, which he did told us that he had more. So I guess let's see what we can work out. So let me go inside and figure out who can help us out and show him the car and stuff, and we'll go from there. Let me see if the back door is pretty much the same exactly as the other one. I actually like this one better because it does have a window in the back, which that's what I was looking for. But I'm assuming, or I have a feeling, this one is a 15. And that one might be a little bit lower, but we'll see. Let me figure out who can help us out. Yeah, that's good, man.
Yeah, you want to finance?
No, I'm just trying to buy some cash, man. That's what I was just trying to tell you. So I wasn't trying to get stuck with all the fees, all the extra stuff. Just,
yeah, with the other one, we haven't titled, but we already sold.
So how much you sold it for?
Huh?
How much you sold it for?
That's around 13 something else.
Yeah.
49.
So what is the price on these two, man? Because
it's around the same price. We're around 14,900, 15,900.
Oh yeah, that's around, that's a little bit.
How much is their budget?
Yeah, I'm sorry, man. You know, we all have a budget. So on to the next location. This place is about 33 minutes away, which is 29 miles, which is in Boca. So we're just coming from Hollywood heading to Boca because I think this guy might have a little shot with him. Pretty much he buys cars from the auction and sell them to people. One of the reasons why I'm going that route, because I have a dealer license too, which I can buy cars from Coparts, IAA, Min-High, but I just wanted to go somewhere I can get, you know, access to the car, see it, touch it, drive it, feel it, versus buying something online. When it comes, you got to fix it, you got to do, you know, some stuff with it to make sure everything is A1, because when you're buying online, you never know what you're getting. So we're gonna go see it now, and I guess I'll catch you guys when I get there. We got to the location. I think that's the van right here. That's the van right there, looking decent. We're gonna have him come out, we're gonna take a look at it. I'm gonna text him, let him know I'm outside. All right, I just text him and let him know that I'm outside. But I'm looking at the van here. It's not looking too bad at all. I can see there's a big crack right here in the front fender of the plastic. I'm looking at the back on the side. They have a big rack on the top. I don't really need that, but you can already tell that there was a paint job that was done. You can't really see it from here, but you can tell that there was a paint job that was done. You can see a little chip right here, and the paint is different from the door. Tail light is broken. There's actually back door that I like. I don't like when they have windows. I like the fact that it didn't have any window. Looking at the plastic, got a couple of dicks and dangs here and there, but we'll figure out exactly what the number's gonna look like on it. So Pretty much that's him right here. So we're gonna see how everything goes right here. Yeah, that's for a business. We're gonna start. So pretty much, you know, we do videos on this, you know, this kind of content. So pretty much that's a part of the process. Buying the car, starting the business, and all that extra stuff. You know what I mean? So I can see that's a rebuild title, huh?
Yep.
Rebuild title. If you see a sticky here, so that I can tell you the car's already rebuilt. I like the fact you already have the piece that block it back here, which can help you with the AC or whatnot. But so you bought this car from auction, you said?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, this is the back. What is this right here?
This is inverter.
Inverter for power purposes or what?
Yeah. Power.
Oh, okay. This is the kit for the tires and all that extra stuff. So you got bottle holders. So so you didn't use it. You just bought it for, you know, for flipping and stuff, right? You only bought it just to flip it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll pour this real quick. This is the other side, guys. Not looking too bad, man. So that's your firm price, Junior?
No, I can do something. Yeah.
Guys, I'm inside the VIN now. Ace is blowing coal. So I think this one comes with a backup camera, and it comes with a sensor as well. But there's not a reverse mirror in here. I don't see it here. It's a little dirty. But I'm gonna drive this. Let me put my seatbelt real quick. This car doesn't have a plate, so I can't really go too far, but I just want to drive it and see how he's driving and stuff. So hey guys, today is actually day 2 of me actually in the market looking to buy a cargo city van for my mobile detailing business. However, actually went yesterday to go look at a couple of cars and a couple of van, and there were a few that I see that I like and a couple that I didn't like. However, there's one of them that I really like, which was the one in Boca, which is the 16 Ford Transit Connect XLT, which is the one that I'm thinking about, you know, buying, because yesterday we were texting back and forth for a little while, figure out exactly, you know, the best price and as far as the car history, and see if it's the best car for me, because I've looked at a variety of van yesterday. So now I'm going to the bank because I'm thinking that I'm pulling the trigger on that car today, which is a very exciting day. So I'm about to go pull cash. I got my little bag with me, and we're gonna pull all of the money cash for him, because we know cash is king. So, and I'm gonna have my cash, and today we're gonna drive this cargo van home. Let's go. All right, we're pulling up to the bank right now. We're about to go inside and pull out the cash and do what we gotta do, man. You already know. Bro, I just don't understand South Florida, man. I just don't understand Miami, bro. I walked in earlier, it wasn't raining. Come back outside, it's raining. Anyhow, we got all the cash for them. So we're gonna pay for the whip cash. This all cash right here, 100s and 20s. We're gonna pay for it cash. Like I said again, I don't wanna finance anything. I just wanna pay cash. So we just came from the bank. You can see Bank of America right there. And we just pull out all the cash. So, and this is the receipt from the bank. And the funny business, that's from Bank of America receipt. So pull out all the cash. We're gonna walk up to him and show him, hey, we got all cash, bro. We wanna buy this cash. So anyhow, so I catch you guys whenever I get there, and figure out exactly if it's gonna take the offer. If not, so we can keep it pushing. So let's go. All right, guys, now we on the way to go get the van. We already settled on the price. Just got off the phone with him. I came to grab my tag real quick, so that way we can put the tag on the car and drive it back home, because we don't have a ride, so we got to do everything ourselves, man. So pretty much, I'm gonna have a ride. I ordered me an Uber already. The Uber is coming, so pretty much I'm gonna hop on the Uber and go to the spot and go look at the van for a very last time, if possible. Give them the money, and we'll go from there. So pretty much, the Uber is about 2 minutes away. 2 minutes away. So pretty much we are about a good, I guess a good 20-30 minutes away from home. So we're gonna go there, slap the tag on the car, and then bring it back home, man. I'll catch you guys there. All right, we get into the Uber real quick here.
Hey, Ellie.
What's going on, Chuck?
Hey, how are you?
Good, good, good.
I didn't want you to walk through the water.
Yeah, so I figured she might cross over. All right, man.
How you doing? What's going on?
Going good, brother.
Good. What are you up to today?
About to go pick up a car real quick, somewhere in Boca, pretty much the address. So,
For you or just...
yeah, for me. Getting it for business purposes, pretty much like a little event like this, one of the connects. So, yeah, man. How's everything going for you?
Good. It just came out of a massive rain flooding down in Fort Lauderdale. And it's nice now.
All right, my Uber just leaving. Just made it. This is the van right here. You guys seen it the other day. So pretty much, I just text him that I'm outside. He's gonna come momentarily, and we're gonna drive this home today, guys. We're gonna drive it home today. Let's see how everything turned out. How's it going, bud?
You always have with your camera, huh?
I told you, man. I told you what I do. Hey, how's it going? Good?
Yeah, good.
All right, Brody.
I got everything here. I need just a signature, please.
All right.
This is for you. And
All
your
right.
name, your title.
All right.
And I just need your signature. This is your bill of sale.
Interesting.
Please
So
sign.
your dealership called VV Auto Financing?
Yeah, this is my
All right.
friend
So,
owner.
but I forgot to ask. This car ain't got no mechanical issues, right?
No.
All
No, you sold it.
Yeah. I just wanna make sure I sign here and sign here.
Yeah.
All right. Sign here.
And here.
All
Right here.
right. I just wanna make sure I was.
And another one here. Or just
Yeah. All right. So you see
Oh, you're recording everything.
Yeah, I'm recording, man. I gotta record this. Like I said again, I have a YouTube channel. So we're starting.
So gonna be famous, man.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't put your face in it, but you know what I mean. It's just a part of our process. So, all right, let me give you the money now, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. If the money's missing, man, not me. Just ask the bank. We're gonna go back to the bank. It's a beautiful bike. So how many horsepower this one got?
This is my baby, man.
Yeah.
This is not from the auction. This is from the dealership.
From the dealership. What year is this? I was gonna say that's good, man. The bank give you extra 1,000 by accident, huh? So that's about everything. Yeah.
Correct. Everything is.
So you good? There was no extra money in there? Not even an extra 50? I was just asking, man. It don't hurt to ask,
You
man.
gonna give me more? Oh my God.
I don't know. Appreciate that, man. All right. All right, man.
All right.
Take care.
All right.
All right, guys. We officially buy this van. So I'm driving it home. It's crazy. I made it home, you guys. It's actually dark. This video is gonna come to an end. The next video is gonna come. We're gonna talk about the details, the big plan we have for this van. Stay tuned. I am so tired, man. I've been going at it all day today and all day yesterday. I mean, the whole entire week been a busy week. This video coming to an end. If you like what you've been seeing, man, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys back in the next video.